Okay, I wanted to show you kind of an overview of us putting together these double-decker pull-out shelves for our kitchen cabinet. You want to first lay out all the pieces as you pull them out of the box to make sure you can find them all. The parts could be a little bit greasy, maybe from the being machined in the shop. Also, be careful when looking for the little screw bag. It can get stuck underneath a part or stuck at the bottom of the box like we did in this case. As you get started, you'll want to make sure that you line everything up, level and even for what you want. You have to make a decision early on if you want to have the upper shelf be at the very top of the bar of the bracket or if you want to have it lower. We actually put ours towards the top. You'll see that as we install, but the other sets of holes that are kind of down the bars you can see are actually where you want to, if you can make the top shelf lower. We chose to make it up higher. I recommend using a magnetic screwdriver here. It makes it much easier to hold the screws and screw them in place. And also just be sure that when you're actually screwing in the screw that it's going into a threaded hole. Some of those holes you see are just plain holes with no threads, which kind of make no sense, but just make sure you're actually going into a threaded hole. Now, once you have the slide drawers in place and screwed on, then you're going to make sure you snap in the baskets in place. You're going to put it up and you're going to make sure they're kind of lined up evenly, square where you want it. And then you're just going to push each corner down and it'll snap into place. We're going to do the same thing at the top. And now you have the drawers in place. There's a back bracket you can also add on. You just slide it in the back, and that's for installing in the cabinet to make it more secure. And I think that's an optional step. We did do it, but it is an optional step. Now here we are. My husband is actually just adjusting exactly where he wants them so they're completely even in the cabinet. And he's also shutting the door and, double checking the measurements as he goes to make sure that as he was drilling them in, they don't get shifted. This is one place where he recommends using an electric screw gun, and it makes it much easier installing it. It is a little difficult to get that tool back in the back, but it does make the whole work process easier. And then this is him just drilling in the back brackets to stabilize it.